Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Salesian missionaries with Surabi, the Salesian Project Development Office of Chennai, India, have 5 vehicles to support their work, thanks to donor funding from Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco. The vehicles are helping Salesians provide services for youth at risk and carry out youth pastoral work. A Salesian said, "Thanks to these vehicles, we have been able to bring mission activities to the poorest of the poor in the rural areas for the sustainable development of marginalized families, especially youth. We have also been able to focus on safety, growth and development with personalized care and protection for at-risk youth." As part of the celebrations for the 30th anniversary of the Salesian School in America, ESA in Spanish, the 5th ESA Continental Meeting was held from 1st to 5th May at the Anahuac Chapalita Institute in Guadalajara, state of Jalisco, Mexico, under the motto, "Together for the Present and Future of Salesian Education." The event was attended by around 237 people from 47 provinces, including the Salesians of Don Bosco, the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, the Daughters of the Sacred Hearts of Jesus and Mary, and the Daughters of the Divine Savior, along with members of the Central Organizational Team and some special guests. Misiones Salesianas, the Salesian Mission Office in Madrid, Spain, in collaboration with the Spanish television program TVE Pueblo de Dios, traveled to Colombia last November to take up and narrate the work of the Salesians of both Colombian provinces, Bogota and Medellin, with several progressive chapters that report the work of the sons of Don Bosco and the Salesian family in different places: Bogota, Agua de Dios, Barranquilla and Cali. An orientation meeting of the Youth at Risk YAR sector was held on Monday 6th May at the Pastoral Center of the Province of India, Shillong, INS, in which the members of the 5th Provincial Chapter of INS participated in order to understand the role of the Salesians in empowering families and communities for the care of young people at risk. The session was led by Father Joseph Prabhu, Secretary of the YAR Salesian National Forum, and Father Bosco Francis, responsible for the pastoral care for migrants in South Asia region. The INS Provincial Father John Osiama warmly welcomed and introduced the participants, who were then conducted in an in-depth discussion on the Don Bosco YAR Forum by Father Joseph Prabhu. The 28th Provincial Chapter of the Southern Salesian Blessed Michael Rua Province, Italy, IME, has opened in the Don Bosco Church at Bova Marina, a valuable time in which a representation of Salesians and lay people engaged in the 28 Salesian educative and pastoral communities are working together with Provincial Father Gianpaolo Roma on the 3 core areas of the 29th General Chapter GC29 and on reshaping the Southern Province. After the celebration, at which the Provincial presided, everyone moved to the Atlatia Club village in Brancilon to officially start the work of the chapter. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.